Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I am featuring the product medley called Flowering Cactus. You'll find this on page 9 of the mini catalog. It is retiring soon, and I wanted to share with you that it is a really good product for your money. What you get is a ridiculous amount of 6x6 designer series paper. That's 48 sheets. Plus, you're going to get die-cut felt sheets, linen thread in colors Calypso Coral and Natural. You get the 10-piece flowering cactus dies plus the stamp set, and then there's a refill kit that you can get. It's retiring soon, guys. So I am starting off with Purple Posy card base, and then a Calypso Coral piece, and a basic white piece. I have just a scrap piece of paper there. I inked up with mint macaron. I stamped off, and with my dauber, I am adding Highland Heather to the top of my cactus. So my white piece is sized 2 7/8 by 2 7/8. I have a little square here that I just cut down. That is a 1 3/8 by 1 inch. So just a little square here, and I stamped with Highland Heather, and the sentiment says, "I love how our friendship has grown." I love that. I am using a dauber just to purple up the edges just a little bit. I wouldn't use my blending brushes for this. Just a dauber just to catch the ends a little bit. This is the paper that I'm using, and the designer series paper is 3 inches by 4 1/4. And I'm just cutting off the excess. And Purple Posy I don't use very often because the ink was kind of a big fail. So, you know, I'll use up the paper. The Calypso Coral square here is a 3 by 3. So I slathered that with dimensionals on the back. And I am going to play a little bit with some of the embellishments, the felt embellishments. This is such a cute card. I quite like cactuses, cacti. We don't have them here in Canada, so I mean, other than people in like succulents or whatever in our pots, they don't really grow well here. And I'm assuming that's because the climate isn't right for them. They need more desert. We're only kind of partial desert where I live anyway. I'm using glue dots for these flowers, these felt flowers, which are absolutely adorable. I made little paper clips for my team with some of them. I just used a cool paper clip, and then I hot glued the 2 felt flowers together. I thought they were neat. They give you a whole lot. It's fun. Anyway, that's my card for today. Thanks for hanging, and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.